stop right there. Remember that if you want to have a one-on-one class with me, my contact information is in the video description. And don't forget to subscribe to be lucky.
Hey baby, ¿qué pasó? Thought I was your only vato. Hey baby, ¿qué pasó? Please don't leave me de ese modo. Come on baby, tear around. Let me see your pretty blue eyes. Don't you know that I love you? Please don't leave me de ese modo. As you may have noticed, this song starts with a voice, so I'll explain you each move step by step. Let's see the first one that appears. Thought I was your only vato. Okay, the first one is closing everything. The second one is open. You already know this part. Baby, ¿qué pasó? Please don't leave me de ese modo. The above is the new part, that is opening. So far you've learned this. ¿Qué pasó? Thought I was your only vato. Hey baby, ¿qué pasó? Please don't leave me de ese modo. The following part is this one. Come on baby, tear around. That is opening. Let me see your pretty blue eyes. That is opening too. Please don't leave me de ese modo. You already know this part. That is it. Now let's see the instrumental part. Then the singer starts again. Okay, let's explain it. Open. Close. Open it. If you need help, please don't hesitate to contact me. Remember that the contact information is in the video description. See you then!